Right, Sanako, this is the all-new, recently launched Jaecoo J8 flagship SUV, and according to Omoda Jaecoo, this car can off-road just like a proper 4x4 SUV. Right, to test it out, we're here at Sepang International Circuit, not to take this car on track, but instead we're going to the Bay 13 off-road range by MSF to take the Jaecoo J8 and see whether it can handle the off-road obstacles over there. Let's go. Well folks, there you have it. As you can see, although it is being marketed as a premium luxury SUV, the Jaecoo J8 can still handle those off-road obstacles and challenges just like a proper 4x4 SUV thanks to its stock electric console system and the RD's all-wheel drive setup. So, in case you're in the market for something luxury but can go off-road, look no further than the Jaecoo J8 here.